Imagine standing on a serene beach, with the rhythmic sound of waves crashing against the shore filling your ears. But did you know that the ocean's soundtrack is much more than water meeting sand? The ocean's soundscape is a vibrant symphony created by the communication of countless sea creatures. From the clicks of dolphins to the haunting songs of whales, these underwater inhabitants use sound to navigate their world and interact with one another. Even fish and shrimp contribute to this marine orchestra, creating intricate acoustics. These sounds not only enhance the ocean's ambiance, but also play vital roles in the marine ecosystem. Fascinated by these hidden harmonies of the deep? Tune into the call of the ocean and subscribe for more captivating fun facts about our world.